girl Wynter, and today we are going to finally be doing some work on the Bean. We are going to be doing a headlight change. I've had these suckers in for a little over a year now, I want to say, but now we're finally going to show you guys how to switch out your headlights. So let's do it. Pop it open and put up your stand so you don't die while you're working on it. Basically what we're going to start off with is removing the grill, taking off these pieces, these little trim pieces, and then after that we have full access to the actual headlight. I'm only going to do one side because it's essentially the same thing. The only thing that's different is the obstacles around it. Obviously the passenger side is going to be a little bit more crammed than the driver's side, so I'm going to do that side just because it's a little bit easier. What the hell is this? Ramen? Anyone? Now we're going to remove these. So next, I'm gonna grab handy dandy 10 mil, found one, thankfully, and then remove 3 bolts that are going to then let the whole headlight loose. So, the other one is right below it, and then there's another one up top. Number 3. Okay, so we're going to remove this electrical connection right here, and there's one all the way down here that we're also going to remove. So let's see if I can do this. Last time I had problems. I wish I could just like take this out, right? Because like that would help. There we go. There we go. Wow. Look at that. Now it'll make it easier to get to for these parts. Let's try and do this with like. Okay. So now we're just going to put it back in. This top clip is a pain to break loose, and I'm not going to be concerned about putting the stock one in when I'm just going to keep my current ones in. So I'm just going to show you, it's basically the same thing putting it back on if I don't break it. Okay, so the small one goes back up on top, maybe. Okay, she's plugged back in. Okay, grab this big one. Is it good? Mm-hmm. And plug it back in. That one is so much easier. And then it just slides back into place. What? Nothing broke. I don't know. I don't know what that was. Oh. You know what? Come here. I realize. Okay, so over here, right, you have this right here, okay? And then you've got, let me show on the stock headlight. Okay. Because that'll be easier. Okay. So you have this piece right here. This is why I had such a hard time pulling the headlight out, because this has a slot that it's supposed to go back into, and that's what helps keep the headlight in place. Yeah. Figured it out now. So we're going to put this back into its little slot, which is right there. And we're going to see if I can get this right. This way with it first. There we go. Alright, so now that slides back into place. Wow, that just made it 10 times easier.
Nice.
Knowledge! Now we're going to put the 3 bolts back in. Put the tiny trim piece back in. R35. My neighborhood cool, I guess. I want to make sure when I put this in, it's not going in at a weird angle, because that would suck to have a stripped bolt. You don't want to go super, super tight with it, but you want to make sure that obviously your light is not going to fall off. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. And now, this pain in the butt, we're going to put in first. Maybe. Or I can maybe just slide that part in. I don't really know what to do here. Oh, here we go. Let's just remove that. That might help. Slide it back in. Make sure it lines up. And then you'll just put this part in that hole. So I'll go down a little. There we go. There we go. And we're good. Then we're gonna grab the 2 plastic little trim screws here. Make sure it's pulled all the way up, so that way when you go to put this in, it makes it a little bit easier, and then you just push down and it's secure. Alright, now we're gonna put this bad boy back on. One of my clips broke, so I'm in the process of getting some. So this just, otherwise this, you'll line them up and put them back on. Maybe. Just like that. And she's in. And then you've changed out your headlights. Woo! So now you know how to change out your headlights on your 02, 03 Bugeye WRX. Super easy project, honestly probably the easiest thing I've done so far on this car. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm Wynter from the Left Pedal. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, check out our new videos. We're coming out with a bunch of new content real soon for the Beam, so be sure to subscribe so you can keep up with that, and I'll catch you guys next time.